Nuclear fission. When a slow-moving neutron strikes the nucleus of a heavy element like uranium or plutonium, it splits up the nucleus into two nuclei and releases large amounts of energy in the form of heat. On an average, 3 neutrons are also released during the split-up of nucleus. These neutrons then strike more nuclei, and thus a chain reaction is set up. A controlled nuclear fission chain reaction forms the basis of a nuclear power station. Energy obtained from a nuclear fission process is called nuclear fission energy. Nuclear fusion. When 2 or more light atoms combine together by applying very large force, they fuse together and a huge amount of heat is released. This is called nuclear fusion. Energy conservation. Use less electricity. Buy energy-efficient appliances and lights, and turn off unused lights and appliances instead of leaving them in standby mode. Use qualified compact fluorescent lamp CFL bulbs. They use up to 75% less electricity than regular incandescent bulbs. Use LED light strings instead of incandescent light strings. Support green energy. Install a solar water heater or photovoltaic panels and buy renewable energy certificates.